So, the much anticipated leak has arrived. If you were hoping for a drastic overhaul of the Nothing Phone 2, you will be dissatisfied with the device's debut appearance. These images are a fairly accurate portrayal of what the Nothing Phone 2 will truly look like since they were obtained by OnLeaks, which, as you may know, receives the official CAD renders of upcoming smartphones from case manufacturers. And as you can see, it resembles the Phone 1 almost exactly. The Phone 2 didn't really alter much from Nothing's prior products, contrary to what I honestly expected. It's strange that they didn't even include a second camera, since doing so would have made it much simpler to position this phone as a flagship model. There are several noticeable modifications here, despite the fact that the Phone 2 and the Phone 1 seem quite similar overall. The first one is the frame, which is now curved rather than flat. It's amusing how Nothing imitated the iPhone 12's metal frame design for their first phone while imitating the iPhone 6 frame for their second phone. They just took the metal frame from the iPhone 6 and attached it to their phone without even seeking inspiration. Here, the glyph interface represents the second little modification. Around the camera and wireless charging coil, it seems a bit different. Additionally, it is more pleasant to handle because to the somewhat more curved back. Not only that, but the front glass is also slightly curved, giving it the appearance of a 2.5D design. Another amusing aspect of this is because Carl Pei previously said that he carefully pays attention to things like the symmetrical bezels. The flash has also been enhanced. The back now has a twin LED flash. Nothing has undoubtedly increased the camera sensors, although having the same amount of cameras. Although they withheld the camera's specifications, they did say that it can capture raw HDR and 4K at 60 frames per second. Therefore, rather than a dramatic change, Nothing Phone 2 will instead see internal improvements with an incremental design. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.